Did you know that there is one ingredient from the kitchen that can completely change the appearance of your tomato, pepper, cucumber plants? It is not baking soda, nor is it dry yeast, but something truly powerful that surprises even experienced gardeners. It is so powerful that even when you think the plant has failed, it can restore its strength, refresh its leaves, and encourage new flowering. Many will think that it is some special chemistry or expensive fertilizer, but the real truth awaits you at the end of the video. Write to me in the comments what you think this ingredient is. Press like if you like such useful tips, and subscribe, so you don't miss more incredible tricks that save your plants. What is most surprising is that this ingredient not only feeds the plant, but also improves the soil, helps the roots absorb nutrients, and makes the leaves strong and dark green. You can see the results in just a few days. And now, how to prepare it? Very simple. Add 1 tablespoon of regular kitchen starch thickener to 1 liter of water. Stir well until dissolved. And water the plants at the root with this liquid once every 10 days. Dear friends, if you found this trick useful, share it on social networks so that other gardeners can learn this powerful secret.